Welcome to Ram Restoration. I'm Randy Mount. I'm the founder and president of Ram Restoration. Started this company about 20 years ago with the intention in mind to helping people and making a difference in this world. Everything that we set out to do between our values, our mission, our core values is to make a difference. When you look at, onboarding people and bringing people into what we're looking for people that want to make a difference in their jobs, their personal lives, and into the community. And you say, why do we do this? So if we're going to spend, better part of our life out earning an income, let's do something that's pleasurable, enjoyable. When I look at all the companies out there that there's like a revolving door of personnel coming and going, I want that to be different, to where we create a culture to where it's enjoyable to come in and do what you do each and every day. And part of that is knowing what your responsibility is up front. And then that way you could do it. You could hit your targets when you know what they are. And, there's too many times to where people says, well, you're not doing your job. Well, do they know what their job was, what they're supposed to do? So creating that environment for the personnel and the people, because at the end of the day, we're in the people business, period. And we just happen to do construction, remodeling, flood damage, roofing, and everything else. And so it really comes down to taking care of the needs of the people internally and externally. And how do we grow the leaders of today to be the leaders of tomorrow? We don't boss people around. Nobody has a boss here. There's no bosses. We're leaders. The definition of leadership is how do you make somebody a better person? How do you drive them to be more successful, not just in their career, but in their personal life and in the community? So making other people successful is what a leader does. And that's the definition of leadership.